Hello, I would like to show you my Tanfoglio 25 ACP and semi-automatic. I guarantee I looked through 12 to 20 videos of this gun on different sites, especially YouTube, for just to know how that hammer cocked back. When I bought this gun, I didn't have a safety. Here's the safety, okay? The only thing that holds that safety in is right here, that plunger, and that spring. Here's the slide. If you look right in there, there's the firing pin. Okay. Well, these guns was made from, what, 1960, 68, when they had the gun control thing, where European countries could not send over this gun, this caliber, 22, the 25, the 32. And because it did not register or whatever, it did not pass. So what they did, they made all the parts, they made the frames, they sent it to Florida. They sent to Florida, exam. This is a later model. Got Zamek on it or something. And your safety, and that is right there. Well, I only got one hand, but I'll show you. And it's build stripped right now. This goes in. Let's put the safety in, but the safety will fall out once the barrel's removed. The only thing I don't like about this gun is if you rock that slide back in safety and pull up just a little bit, your gun will be in this condition. It will be a very bad day for you, because I guarantee the other person will not allow you to put your gun back together. Okay. All right, the safety goes on. Make sure it's on safety. It does have a little channel, a round channel in there for the spring. Let me see if I can get it on. Forgive me, I got a cheap camera. But if you put right there where that spring is, pull back, bam. Your gun's back together. This video, I mean, they made these from 1960 to 91. And Tanfoglio, this was made in, okay, wrong side, sorry. Giuseppe, Italy. And they have about 25, 30 videos how to show you how to field strip this gun. Okay? And the thing comes out, then bam. But see, when I bought this gun, it did not have a safety. Okay? Did not have a safety on it. So I had to buy the safety. Did not have the 7-round magazine. So I had to order it. It's in the mail. It's kind of coming my way. That was $30 just for the magazine. And this whole video is, I had a couple people that, from a couple sites, not just YouTube, but a couple sites, wanted to know what the spring thing was. And see, my hammer did not cock back. This pistol, as soon as you pull the slide back, that hammer goes back and cocks. Well, mine didn't. You pull the hammer back, it would just fly up here. It would not lock back whatsoever. So, what I did, and trust me, I am no gunsmith whatsoever. I'll loosen that screw. There's like this paper clip. There's a short part that you see on the left and a long piece that you see on the right. Okay? And the long piece goes right behind that black piece right there, that little piece right there. And that allows you, when you slide the slide or you want to manually pull the hammer back, it locks it. And I could not find nothing whatsoever about how that worked. You know, like I said, I am no gunsmith. I work on small engines. I am a small engine mechanic. But I just want to see, well, that spring ain't going nowhere. Does it go here? And I was right. So, I hope that answered some questions where that spring goes. And, like I said, you know, these back in the day was a very cheap gun. Yeah, you just loosen that, put that spring up, put that spring all the way up on that screw, tighten it down. And I had my friends ask me why a 25. Well, like anything else, you know, I wanted one. These were pocket pistols. They were vest pistols. You could, well, wear a suit instead of still put in your inside pocket. Very concealable. I'm not saying this is going, stop everyone or whatever dead in their tracks. But that's what they had in the 60s and 70s. Even the police carried the 25 and the 32 ACP back in that day. And, being a small caliber, is better than harsh words and a sharp stick. Anything that you can have to defend yourself or have some kind of protection is, like the old saying goes, I'd rather have it than not need it than need it and not have it. So, these things are really cheap. I think I paid about $80 for this. But then about $26 for the hammer. I mean the safety. $30 for the magazine. And then I have to order 2 boxes of 25 ACP bullets, because these are not rounds, or even if you have a 32 ACP, these are not rounds like the 22 long rifle or the 9mm or the 380, where all day, you know, you can find them at stores. Not the 25. So you just got to order that. But yeah, I thought that was a neat pistol, and I wanted it. So, you know, but like I said, you know that the only thing I didn't like about this gun is if you go back on the slide. I thought I broke it first. It was on safety. Went on the slide, lifted it up just a little bit, and everything came out apart. So hopefully, when you rack it, you go straight back and forth. Don't go up, or your self-defense will be worthless. But I thought I would show you where that spring went, just in case your hammer didn't lock back. And I know there's more than me that has that issue. So I thought I would share that with you. Like I said, you know, $35 to $50 brand new when these were in service or for sale. You can probably still get them relatively cheaply at pawn shops or gun stores or whatever. And it's better than nothing. You know, I'd rather have this than you know, my fist and someone pulls a knife, or, you know, or a gun or whatever. I'd rather have something than nothing. So, it's I think it would fire. You know, well, once I get the magazine and the ammunition. Does have the old magazine European magazine loadout. But like I said, I don't care if it was $35 or $100 or $1,000. If your weapon won't function, it's worthless. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Hopefully your day is going well. Leave a like, subscribe. I'd appreciate you. Thank you for your time. Peace.